Welcome back. We're joined by Oregon Senator Ron Wyden tonight. And Senator, let's get right to it. A few hours ago, the president announced an emergency national declaration. What did you think of that announcement? Does it go far enough?
It doesn't go far enough. And what I'm particularly troubled about is we've got to be much more aggressive about testing. Now, the president often says that with him, the United States will be #1. We are not #1 with respect to testing. In fact, we lag, for example, far behind South Korea, of all places. And I was at the VA today, and they have some very good ideas about testing. We ought to start picking up on them.
Now, the declaration does free up billions of dollars. What is some of that money, what will it be used for?
It is a House package, and what I and others have said is it's all got to be about people. It's got to be about working families, people who are on an economic tightrope, balancing their food bill against the rent bill, just trying to figure out how to make ends meet. So I very much favor the leave policies, the sick leave, for example, the expanded unemployment compensation. These are issues that go up to the Finance Committee. We'll be dealing with them next week. And I'm very pleased that we've got an opportunity to get some extra help for Medicaid in two areas. One, we might get about $400 million more for Medicaid, depending on how long we have to deal with the virus. And then also we'd be eligible for a special waiver, something where the Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services could get us help, for example, like not all these insurance prior authorizations. The one area I'm really pushing the administration hard to do is I was able to get the law passed to make it possible with this coronavirus situation for more seniors to get care at home. In other words, after they went to a doctor initially, had a throat swab or something, they could, for example, Skype a physician. We'd clear out all those restrictions on telemedicine. I've got to get the Trump people to step up and help with that.
You know, for years, every time we have you here in our studio, you talk about trying to sway the rest of the nation to do what Oregon does, vote by mail. And we usually say because of hacking situations. But now with the coronavirus, when we have a pandemic like this, people are finally listening to you.
I like to think we finally have a chance to get our idea in place. I'm saying, for example, that if 25% of the states have a coronavirus emergency, then we'd be in a position to get everybody in America a ballot by mail. A lot of it is just expanding on absentee programs. But what it comes down to, folks, is that nobody should have to give up the right to be healthy just to have their constitutional rights. And people ask, what does it mean for Oregon? Well, yes, we already have vote by mail, but if other parts of the country, seniors and others can't vote, we could have the will of Oregon voters flouted because they're using insecure systems or seniors can't come out.
I think, too, as we sort of wrap this up, we are really in a trying time. And, you know, people are frustrated, people are scared, people are worried. Do you have any sort of lasting advice for people here? Because I've been saying the last couple of days, let's just breathe, let's take a moment. But as a senator here, what would you tell people?
My message for our state is that we have something called the Oregon Way, where we always come together when things are tough. We come together as a community. We try to deal with health issues. We try to help our state when we're hurting. I'm so grateful for all the courage that Oregonians have shown through all of this. They're trying to practice all of these sensible safety rules. They're also trying to help their neighbors and friends. I just want them to know, as their senior senator, I'm grateful for their courage, grateful for their contributions to the community, to the Oregon Way. I'm going to try to do everything I can to make the federal government a better partner to Oregon's courage and the Oregon Way.
Okay, Senator Ron Wyden, that's a great way to wrap things up. We have the Oregon way of doing things. Time to pull together.